Another daily tip. Today, I had to evict a single mother and her babies. Unfortunately, it just had to happen. I had to make renovations to the property. I told her though, after I have the renovation done, she's welcome back anytime. So I really, really hope that she reaches out. With that being said, let's do a walk through the property that we need to renovate. Please excuse this attire. It's like 4 million degrees out today. But here, I want to introduce you to the Bird Estates. As you can see, the in-ground pool has a little bit of work it needs. We got a little foundation issue. Look at the campfire spot. That needs a little bit of work. The shrubs are pretty much gone. I don't know what's been eating the shrubs. Obviously we need to refill, but let me show you what's inside. Oh no, this thing is even structurally not sound. Look at that, it's pulling off of there. We need to put some fasteners in that. Here's the house. It actually is a duplex. But here it is. This whole backside just opens up. Oh, and as you can see, we got 2 nice sunroofs for them. And then it is divided into 1 path for each bird. The very first thing I need to do is we need to work on the curb appeal. We need to make sure that she's going to be proud to live here. I'm going to get a clean pool for them, and I'm also going to work on the hardscape. In the meantime, in the comment section, maybe let me know if you guys have any cool ideas of things we can put in the Bird Estates. Thanks for watching, and have a great night.